Welcome to Learning Excel with Dr. Ted. Hi there and welcome to this video. In this video we will look at three concepts looking at the measures of location for our data. Those include mean, median, and mode. Go ahead and navigate with me to this second tab if you'd like to follow along as we go through each of these three commonly used functions in Excel. Here in column A, we have the name of employees in our organization. In column B, we have the gender of those in our organization. And in column C, we have the age, column D, the region in which they belong to, as well as in column E, the salary for each of these employees. Let's go ahead and compute for the age each of these three different variables. Starting in G2, go ahead and type in mean, and in H2, go ahead and type in equals. The function for mean is also the average. So go ahead and type in equals average, open parenthesis, and then you're going to select the data from C2 all the way down in this case to C14. Close parenthesis, and you would see that the mean age for those in our organization is 39.15. Okay, second thing we're going to look at here is the median. Let's go ahead and type in median in G3. The function for median, or the middle number, is equal to median, open parenthesis, and select the numbers starting in C2, go all the way down to C14, and there close the parenthesis. There you have the middle number, or the middle value of those from your data set. We are now going to look at mode, or the most commonly occurring value. Go ahead and select or type in mode. In H3, select the value equals, type in mode, open parenthesis, and then select from C2 all the way down to C14, close parenthesis, and there you have the mode or most commonly occurring value for the age for those in your organization. Thank you for watching Learning Excel with Dr. Ted. If you liked what you saw in this video and would like to learn more, subscribe now to our YouTube channel.